दाबोळे विमानतळाचेर पार्किंग दिना म्हण टॅक्सीवाल्यांनी बोवाळ घालो. प्रकरण विमानतळ पुलीस स्टेशनामेरेन पावले. विमानतळ टर्मिनस बिल्डिंग वाठारांत पार्किंग दिवची म्हण टॅक्सीवाल्यांची मागणी. तिडकल्ल्या टॅक्सीवाल्यांनी दाबोळे पुलीस स्टेशना मुखार एकठांय जावन निषेध केलो. विमानतळ प्राधिकरणान समस्या सोडोवची म्हण तांणी मागणी केल्या.
PI has given him instructions, so he's telling us to talk to PI. We said, you are here in charge, you talk. And the parking and non-parking issue here is a traffic issue, not a law and order issue. Understand? So therefore it's not their jurisdiction. But the PI,
now what you will do? Now what you will do? You will keep park there?
What we will do? We are doing what you didn't hear me. You heard me, no? We are doing what has been decided at the highest governmental level and every level. That we are to park in one lane, and we run our business. So that's what we are going to do. If any action, anybody wants to take action, let them take. We will see, no.
पॅसेंजराक सतोवचे ना, पण ते गाडये काडचे ना.
अशेंच तुमकां सतोवपाक लागला.
सतयले गाडये थंयच आसतले आनी आमी सर्वीस दीत रावतले पब्लिकाक.
आनी तुमकां एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी कितें सांगता तेजे पार्किंगेचेर?
एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटीन सांगलें आमकां.
एक दोन नायजेरियनांक लागून सगळ्या नायजेरियनांचेर वक्तव्य करप सारकें न्ही. कोण मस्तेपणा करता जाल्यार ताका धरात आनी ताचेर कारवाय करात म्हण काँग्रेस फुडारी उलयल्यात. नायजेरियनांचेर गोंयकार बेजार, तांची वागणूक सारकी ना म्हण मुख्यमंत्र्यान वक्तव्य केल्लें. ताचो काँग्रेसीन निशेध केलो. आदलो केंद्रीय मंत्री एदुआर्द फालेरोच्या पब्लीक मॅटर ह्या पुस्तकाचें विमोचन जालें.
Unfortunately, what I would say, of saying that Nigerians in general, they are not liked and things also. It's like saying British are not liked, Portuguese are not liked. I have a lot of friends in Portugal, in England, and so many things, and I know they are wonderful people. This is not correct the way to speak. If some particular Nigerian boy, they are basically students, have done something wrong, take action against it. So therefore, don't speak about countries or people in general of a country, a particular country. The Nigerians are not good. These are the bad individuals. And then also study the reasons why these things happen. There's a great, great reason to believe that we, people of India, are racist. Majority are racist.
I feel that it's not correct to single out a countryman, a particular country. A lawbreaker is a lawbreaker. You may be a Goan, you may be anywhere from India, or you may be from anywhere else. But we don't single them out. They are lawbreakers. And the law of the land prevails. So we have to be very careful when we single out people, single out certain nations and blame them that so and so troublemakers. It is not so. We have number of Indians in Africa, in the country that was mentioned recently.
आदलो केंद्रीय मंत्री एदुआर्द फालेरोच्या पब्लीक मॅटर ह्या पुस्तकाचे काँग्रेसीचो सरचिटणीस दिग्विजय सिंग, काँग्रेसीचो सचिव चेल्ला कुमार, प्रदेशाध्यक्ष लुईझिन फालेरो, विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी प्रतापसिंह राणे आनी बाकीच्या फुडाऱ्यांनी विमोचन केलें. सुवाळो दोनापावलच्या गोवा इंटरनॅशनल सेंटरान जालो. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट. घेऊया एक विराम.